You guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. On today's quick video, we are shopping at our brand new Popshelf. To me, this shop is like Dollar Tree, Dollar General, General Dollar, and Home Goods all put together, and a little bit of Target in there too. So if you like this type of content with also cleaning motivation and DIY inspiration and cooking inspiration and motivation, because sometimes you need to inspire before you get to start cooking with that motivation, right? Welcome to our family. My name is Atoya. I'm Douglas's wife, and I am Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia's mother. We are the family that loves life and having fun and giving you all the motivation and all the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Enjoy the rest of this video as we go through the store and enjoy the process. I don't think I saw anything over $20, maybe $25, which is pretty cool. So yeah, let's look at the cool things, enjoy, and y'all have a good time. Talk to you at the end when we have our haul.
Love you better, lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah. Love you better. Love you better, Love you better, Time goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. So I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day. Oh, 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 a brighter day, a brighter day. A brighter day. Time goes by and yet I wonder, why do we put each other through hell? Why can't we just get over ourselves? I know I should. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. Yeah, so I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Yeah, made a promise to myself and but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Oh, hey, yeah. Oh, oh, right, yeah, yeah. Oh, made a promise to myself this time I'll keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. Where there is smile, with every tear, I know I can make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day, brighter day, brighter day. I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah. I can finally start over, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell it. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Baby, I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted fall. Can't hold our love against the wall, no. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely waking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Yeah, goodbye so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Goodbye so long, my dear love. My dear love, love is forgotten, so I had to move on. So long, my dear friend. Yeah, yeah. We did our best until the very end. But goodbye. So long, my dear love. Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby. Can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you. Just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be. Didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. No, I was dumb, baby. Just way too young, baby. I was too blind to see what you meant to me. The things you can't forgive, didn't know how to live. Cause I didn't love myself. Wish I could turn back time, go back and do things right. Give you our wedding ring, give you my everything.
Hey you guys, so I am in my sunroom, so I hope that you can hear and see me very well. We are done with our walkthrough of the brand new Popshelf around our neighborhood, which is right next to Buff City Soaps. So I got my free soap for the month, and so I'm gonna show y'all my free soap from Buff City Soap, and then I'm gonna show y'all what we got from Popshelf. So I can't find my whatchamacallit. I cannot find my tripod, and so y'all are not on my tripod, you are on my desk, hence the background of the windows. Okay, before I get into it, thank you so much for clicking on this video, clicking on this channel. Without you, there would be no channel. Seriously, I probably would have stopped a long time ago. Okay, so thank you for doing that for me. I am striving to be better, striving to be more consistent with the videos. Okay, so some of them will have a little bit more quality in the video itself, and some will be from the phone. Okay, I got a Motorola Stylus phone. Okay, so that's what we got. So let's first go with Buff City Soap. Okay, and what we got. And like I said before, every time we go, they mark the day off. Let me show you the soap that I got. So I'm gonna start with, these soaps are normally $7 a piece, so you get $7. So I got the lavender with shea butter, and it smells oh so good. And the lavender with shea butter it has coconut oil, palm oil, rhapsodate oil, olive oil, shea butter, and manganese violet. I think that's the color pink, so a purple. And get my colors together. You gotta dry off first before you get inside the house. And then I got sitting on the dock. Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, Ooh, ooh. That smells like outside. Like it smells like, yes, it smells so good. You want to smell? Did you just lick my key? Lick, move, boy. You just lick my soap. Yeah, it tastes funny, don't it? All right, and then we went to Popshelf. Okay, I enjoyed my time at Popshelf. This is our 4th time going. My first time filming, probably last, you know, I don't do a whole lot of filming too much often like that. I saved $10. I spent $36. Okay, Popshelf. So Douglas got these walnut halves and pieces for $3 for our oatmeal. They have some gummies for $1. The Haribo ones. And then that smell. And then they had these buy one get one half off citronella garden candles, blue. I got 2 of them. I got, this is, you'll see this. I got the Sun Glow Orchid, fresh bergamot, tobacco flower, and warm amber. I really like it. I really like it. All right, and then we have Twilight Blooms, fresh jasmine, warm amber, and musk. We have May Bloom. Can y'all see it? Blooms. The base has jasmine and gardenia petal. Scented candle. Smells oh so good. All right, these are mine. So they just put it in here. Last but not least, I got something for my porch, and I'm really excited for it. Okay, so y'all ready? Here we go. Okay, you guys, I am showing you the porch sign. The rain was starting to get on my nerves, so I know it's probably starting getting on y'all nerves. I like the fact that it has the leaves and the colors are green and yellow. I think that it will go very well with like all the different types of holidays. As always, y'all, as always, thank you for spending your precious time with us, because time is precious. We want to have you consider to subscribe to our channel, join the DATFAMILY5 tribe, and yeah, get in with the get in. You know, we do cleaning motivations, DIYs. We about to do some home renovations, and yeah, and do it yourself type stuff. So I really hope that y'all enjoy the journey. Thank you for coming along with us through Popshelf and enjoying this haul. Y'all be blessed, and we will see you on the tube. Peace out, y'all.
Feel